Glenwood Road goes off to the left up here. Right here in this corner, it used to be an A&P. A long time ago. Yeah, Glenwood Road right there on the left. There was an A&P there where that Family Dollar is. And when Glenwood Road crosses 155 or Candler Road up there, it turns to Glenwood Avenue. When we get to 285, we're going to turn it off and start another one. We've got to check the battery. We'll be getting into, we may already be in Towers High School area. Got several friends on Facebook that watch my videos, subscribers that went to Towers High School. I wonder if that stuff in there is for sale. They look like a couple of pretty nice vans. I think I've got a video of Towers High School, but I'm not positive. The Indigo Girls, from my understanding, went to Towers. Creek will take you over to 78, then it's North Indian Creek or Memorial Drive over there. Poor doggy. Boy, years and years ago, Penley Hills up here on the right. That was sort of the cat's meow over here in this part of town. Okay, we need to get over, and I got a little bit too close to that Honda to cut out. Yeah, Penley Hills right here on the right. Coming up on 285, and we will turn it off, and when we cross over 285, you had Richway here on the right. Up there a little bit further, you had Mama's Country Showcase, which changed names a couple of times, but I guess they're widening the bridge in here and doing all kind of construction along the road, along the roadway here. Yeah, to the right take you over to Dunwoody, to the left takes you down around the bottom end of Atlanta. Friday, July the 29th, 2022. Crossing over 285, US 278, Georgia 12, this old Covington Highway. Right up here on the right was a Richway. Looks like there's several different things there now. Yeah, you can recognize those old Richway buildings. And up here a little bit further was Mama's Country Showcase. Building right there on the left was a little restaurant at one time. It used to have very good hamburgers. Redan Road will be coming in up here on the right, and Austin went off to the left back there. Yeah, that's old Mama's Country Showcase. Mama's Prime Time. Yeah, Redan Road comes in up here on the right here. So Towers High School is off of Austin back there. You can also get to it by turning on these side streets right here. It'll lead you back there. 154. I wouldn't, that's Spur. You reckon Memorial Drive up here is 154? I don't know what that is there. I don't think this is 154. Right here on the left, years and years ago, used to be a little gas station, and every Easter they had little rabbits, and little colored stuffed rabbits. Mother and Daddy come by here every year and get me a different little Easter rabbit, a little stuffed rabbit. Crazy the things you remember, isn't it? We're gonna get over one lane because it's going. I think it runs out up here. It shows straight, but I think it may go to 2-lane before we get into Avondale. But we'll see. We're gonna turn it off here right now. Memorial Drive to the left will take you into Atlanta, right by the Capitol. To the right will take you out by the Big Rock. On out down to Athens. Yeah, this video will be Covington Highway or US 278, Georgia 12, ITP inside the perimeter. New stuff there. Look at all that new stuff. Going right through Avondale. I'm not sure which way we're going to go from there. We'll go into Avondale and figure it out. We're going to have to change the battery shortly. We'll go right by the original Waffle House, which is now the Waffle House Museum. People have been driving crazy today. Coming across 138, driving like lunatics. They're coming right into Avondale. Avondale and Decatur butt right up next to each other. Of course, I went to Decatur. I'm a member of an Avondale group. Yeah, the left here, you can go down by the lake. That lake has always been a beautiful place. I've always loved that lake. Number 3, Decatur County Fire Station is right there on the turn right. It's right there on the left. There used to be a Colonial store right across from it on the right. There's Town Cinema. These bushes here on the left have been here ever since I was a little kid. I remember them. I've always liked these bushes, these flowering bushes. I've forgotten the name of them, but they've been here since as long as I can remember. When I was 2 or 3 years old, we'd come through here on the way to Watkinsville. Skip's Hot Dogs right there on the right. And then up here on the right, I think it's this bar now, restaurant, was Hensler's Barbecue. All the Avondale folks used to hang out over here. They talk about how good buttered fry was, buttered fries. I don't think I ever had them. I think it was right there on the right there, I think. Once I went to Decatur, my 8th grade year was the notorious cold, rainy, drizzly 7-6 game, which we went into Death Valley and won. Then the 9th, 10th, 11th grade years, Avondale beat us. Then the 12th, my senior year, we beat Avondale again. So they beat us 3 years, we beat them 2 years. We used to beat them in basketball though. Okay, right here, Waffle House on the left. This is the original Waffle House. very first Waffle House, and now it is the Waffle House Museum. And me running my mouth, Pittman's Bait Shop used to be right there on the left. Who remembers Pittman's Bait Shop? I used to love Pittman's. And also Smith's Grocery back there on the right, back behind our right shoulder back there. Love Smith's Grocery. There's some sunflowers. Do we need to stop? They sure were some nice ones. I think we're gonna have to go back. And I think what the original Sam's Crossing was right here. You know what? We won't go back. We'll go down Decatur, DeKalb Avenue, Decatur Street. We'll go to Polly on the Avenue. I bet she'll have sunflowers. Okay, we've entered the city of Decatur now, I'm pretty sure. We'll turn it off when we get up here to the depot, and that'll end this video. We're going to cut over to DeKalb Avenue. We're going to go by Polly on the Avenue and see if she doesn't have some sunflowers. She's had sunflowers there, I know, for almost 20 years, and always very, very nice sunflowers. Okay, we'll be coming up to the depot up here. Used to get my hair cut up here at Willie Bradford's Barbershop. Who remembers Willie Bradford and Willie Bradford's Barbershop? Pizza by candlelight. We need to get over one lane. It's going to be hard to do. They don't want to let us over. Winona Park is down here to the left. Turn left, go down there to Winona Park Elementary School. We lived on Berry Street, right on the other side of the tracks, and we'd come up here to Willie Bradford's and put pennies on the track. We just had the greatest time. We'll turn it off here. Agnes Scott is right here, and I have all of this on video from previous times, so we'll turn it off right here.